Prime and composite numbers. Natural numbers that have only two factors are called prime numbers. Natural numbers are the numbers we use for counting. When we count like 1, 2, 3, we are using natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1 and it goes on. Remember, natural numbers do not include 0, negative numbers, fractions and decimals. So, a prime number is a natural number that has only two factors, 1 and the number itself. This means it can only be divided evenly by 1 and itself. For example, 5 is a prime number because it can only be divided by 1 and 5, that is itself. If we try to divide 5 by any other number like 2, 3 or 4, the result won't be a whole number. It won't divide evenly. So, the only factors of 5 are 1 and 5. What about the number 7? It is divisible by 1 and 7 only. So, it is also a prime number. Then what about the numbers that have more than two factors? The numbers that have more than two factors are called composite numbers. For example, 4 can be divided by 1, 2 and 4. The factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. It has more than two factors. So, 4 is a composite number. Similarly, 6 can be divided by 1, 2, 3 and 6. That's 4 factors. So, it's definitely a composite number. But what about the number 1? The number 1 has only one factor. It is divisible only by itself. So, 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. Also, number 2 is the only even prime number. So, always remember, 1 is neither prime nor composite and 2 is the only even prime number. Now, let's find the prime numbers from 1 to 100. There is an interesting way to find them. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Cross out 1 because it is neither a prime nor a composite. Step 2. Circle 2 and then cross out all multiples of 2, that is 4, 6, 8 and so on. Step 3. The next uncrossed number is 3. Circle 3 and cross out all multiples of 3, that is 6, 9, 12 and so on. Step 4. The next uncrossed number is 5. Circle 5 and cross out all multiples of 5, that is 10, 15, 20 and so on. Step 5. The next uncrossed number is 7. Circle 7 and cross out all multiples of 7, that is 14, 21, 28 and so on. For 1 to 100, we can stop at 10 and then circle all the numbers that have not been crossed out. all the circle numbers are prime numbers and all the crossed out numbers except one are composite numbers. So, from 1 to 100, there are 25 prime numbers. There are 74 composite numbers. We excluded one since it is neither prime nor composite. Hope you now understand what prime and composite numbers are. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We will see you again in our next video. Bye bye.